Welcome. Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest minds in human history, believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 held the key to understanding the universe. He said, if you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe. Today, we are going to use that key. The 3-6-9 manifestation method combines the power of these sacred numbers with the science of intention, repetition, and emotion. It is simple. It is powerful. And it works. Let's begin. Here is how the 369 method works. You choose one clear desire, one specific thing you want to manifest. Then you write it, or in our case, speak it and feel it. 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times at night. The repetition creates a groove in your subconscious mind. The emotion makes it magnetic. And the numbers 3, 6, and 9 carry a specific vibrational frequency that amplifies your intention. Today, we are going to practice the morning round together. 3 powerful repetitions with full emotion and belief. Let's make them count. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. Clear your mind, clear your energy, and bring to mind the one thing you most want to manifest right now. Maybe it's financial abundance. Maybe it's a loving relationship. Maybe it's your dream career or business. Maybe it's health and vitality. Maybe it's freedom. Whatever it is, hold it clearly in your mind. See it. Feel it. Make it real. Before we begin the repetitions, let's align your energy. Breathe in possibility and breathe out doubt. Breathe in certainty and breathe out fear. Breathe in your desire already fulfilled and breathe out any resistance to receiving it. One more time, breathe in and out. You are now in a state of open receptivity. Your subconscious is listening. The universe is listening. Let's speak your desire into existence. This is the first repetition. I want you to form your desire into one clear, powerful sentence. For example, I am so grateful now that money flows to me easily and abundantly. Or, I am so happy and grateful now that I have found my perfect loving relationship. Or, I am so grateful now that I am living my dream life with complete freedom and joy. Whatever your desire is, form it as if it has already happened. Grateful, present tense, specific. Now say it silently in your mind, with complete feeling, as if it is already true. Say it now. Feel the gratitude. Feel the joy. Feel the reality of it. Breathe in and let that feeling fill every cell of your body. That feeling is the magnet. The second repetition. Bring your desire back to mind. This time, go even deeper into the feeling. Don't just say the words. Live inside the reality of your desire for a moment. See your life after it has manifested. What does it look like? Who are you with? How does your body feel? What does a regular Tuesday look like in this new reality? Feel all of it. Now say your desire statement again, silently, with even more emotion than before. Say it now. Feel it now. Breathe in and anchor this feeling as your new reality. The universe responds to feeling, not to words alone. Give it everything you have. The third and final repetition of this morning session. This is the most powerful one, because now you have built momentum. Your energy is fully activated. Your subconscious is wide open. Bring your desire to mind one final time. This time, say it with absolute certainty. Not as a wish, not as a hope, as a done deal. Something that is already on its way, already in motion, already yours. Say it now, with complete conviction, complete gratitude, complete certainty. Feel it as real. Breathe in deeply. And as you breathe out, release your desire to the universe. Let go of the how. Let go of the when. Simply know that what you have asked for is already being arranged by forces greater than you can see. Now sit in the silence, of what you've just done. You have spoken your desire into the field of possibility 3 times. With intention, with emotion, with the sacred frequency of the number 3. This is not wishful thinking. This is deliberate creation. Your subconscious mind has received the message. The universe has received the message. Now your job is simple. Stay in the feeling. Take inspired action when it calls to you, and trust. Take one final breath in and breathe out slowly. Open your eyes. You have completed the morning round of your 369 practice. Return at midday for your 6 repetitions. And again tonight for your 9. The more consistent you are, the more powerful it becomes. Your desire is already in motion. Go meet it with action and belief. The universe is working, and so are you.